Hi, this is Kapil. My today's recipe is a healthy breakfast recipe. I'm making protein chilla and it's so easy to make. So let's start. It's very quick and easy recipe. You just have to mix all the ingredients into one bowl and this protein chilla is ready. So first in the bowl, I'll add besan and some veggies, grated carrots, boiled sweet corn, grated paneer and some coriander leaves, green chilies, season it with salt as per taste and some crushed black pepper. And one more health factor I'm adding into this, these are roasted sesame seeds. And next I'll add curd. Now we'll mix all the ingredients and the consistency we are looking for is a thick batter. Not very thick, it should be easily spreadable on the tawa. And we add water gradually. And it's done. And meanwhile you have to heat the tawa till it is medium hot. And you have to rest the batter for at least 5 minutes because besan or chickpea flour, it absorbs water and becomes a little thick if you keep the batter for some time. And you have to let it soak the water. So just for 5 minutes. Tawa is medium hot and now I'll drizzle little oil. Just spread it. And I'll take one ladle full of chilla batter into the center of the tawa. And spread it. Just the way you do it in case of dosas. And now you have to wait for some time because it has to be cooked properly. Chickpea flour takes little time to cook and in total it's going to take around 5 to 7 minutes of cooking time on both the sides. It has to be nice, rich, golden brown in color and perfectly cooked. After a minute of cooking, I'm going to drizzle little oil on the surface of the chilla and let it cook for a minute more and then I'll flip it. So after flipping, I have to cook it further till it is nice and golden brown on the other side as well. And our protein chilla is ready. I'll enjoy it with achar, with curd or anything, or just as it is. It tastes delicious. So do try this easy breakfast recipe full of protein and the name is protein chilla. So try at home, share your feedback with me. Until then, take care and goodbye.